Yeah.
You can just tell those people to put them on that because they're all over.
Where? Oh, wait. Oh, no. I did get that guy. Awesome. Dalen, you're the only one over there. Hey, some of you guys get into the ship and get up top. I'm like 8 guys. Oh, hit. They're all dead! Move! Are you alright? I'm cutting them up today. Whoa, my sights are off.
Keep shooting me.
Just go spawn. Hey! Are you serious? Thank you. Yeah, he needs to be wearing a brighter color.
I didn't realize it. I forgot it was dead.
So I've killed like Mike like 8 times already. Keep an eye on the left over here. They're trying to work around the brick building. I'm hit. serious?
Oh, he just hit me again.
I see the shopping cart! David, shopping cart's in that brick building.
I see it. We gotta move up. Lay down some cover fire.
I'm working on, like, there's two of us over here. Get some of those guys out of the ship. Hey, Mike! Hi!
Yes.
We're working on it. I'm getting hit from somewhere. Cut him up! Yeah! Cut him up! Cut him up! Cut him up! No, you don't!
Now, get that cart.
Empty exit! Let's go! Let's go! Come on! Bang! Let's go. Now! I see it. Get out there.
Okay, guys, you got the shot. Now you gotta control it. Don't you dare lose that cart. Now you can actually arrest.
I almost fell like 4 times dragging that thing in here. You good at bang killing? You good at bang killing? They're going to come right up along the side. When they come to the mount, just stick your gun out and yell bang right in their face. Don't actually shoot, obviously, but it's pretty easy, very satisfying. Keep watching that side. Hey, you.
Yeah, I got it.
All right, no one's stacking up yet.
I don't even love this map. Church window, right side.
Reloading. Cover my sector. Brick building. Right side.
There comes the church.
Get in there, dude. I hate this approach. There it goes. How are we doing over here?
Looking pretty good. We might have to work that back.
Yeah, I see. Hey, we got 2 moving. They're on the left side of the church. Back corner.
One behind the I got these guys pinned down.
All right, keep them that way. Movers, left side. Hey! See that shadow? We got guys on the outside, on the left side. There's two of them. They're on the ship. They're on the side of the ship. Oh, hey, Mike! How you doing?
Right, the church is clear.
Hey, keep watching that window. All right, I think there's actually a ref. I don't see anyone out here anymore. Yeah, we're good for now. Just keep watching those windows, watch the sectors. Cover that church, cover the brick building. Gotcha, Terrence. I haven't done this in a while. Everything's great. All right. Anybody see any of the cast members? Anyone we can capture? Spread yourselves out, guys.
Boom.
All right, they're not even close now.
Yeah, they're not. It's mongoose. Yeah, they're not even moving.
Second trade between.
Yeah, I got him. My gun is so heavy! I hate it!
Oh, nice!
David! Oh, sorry, come through, come through.
I'm dead.
I know, if you're on West Bank, get back in here and help cover these windows with bang kills.
Well, all right, well, I still got it.
Okay, well...
I'm just left.
Mover, left side! You see it, I got him. Oh, there he goes, yeah. Mover, left side, along the fence! You see it. Communicate! Communicate! Anyone coming over here? Bang kill!
You got me. Oh, God,
You're under arrest!
okay.
Stay in there.